Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install a SIM card on your Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be on the top. There's a little hole on the top left side, as you can see right here. That's your SIM tray and memory card. So you push it in inside, and now it's going to pop out, as you can see right here. And now you can pull it out and then install your SIM card and memory card. So on the top is your memory card goes first, so on the top right here, and then sorry, it just popped out. You just lay it flat, so the SIM card goes on the bottom, and on the top your memory card. And I'll show you, there's a picture which way you're supposed to put it in. And now you just hold the flat phone and stick it in. Okay, here it is. It just went in pretty easily. And the same way to pull it out, like you opened it, push it in again, and remove your stuff. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.